Hi guys, welcome back to the Fadhili Family YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing our video so that it can reach as many people as possible. So in today's video, we are going to be sampling the Pirates Beach in Mombasa, Kenya. And as you can see, we are walking towards the beach, and on the side you can see there are lots of merchandise being sold. Just but to name a few, we have swimming costumes for both male and female, we have shorts, we have towels, we have light deras and lassos. And as you go further on, you will notice some street food being sold. We have viazi karai, we have cassava crisps, there is fish, there is ugali. There's lots and lots of street food to enjoy before you either go to the beach or after you're done with the beach. So come with us and enjoy this absolutely amazing scenery.
Drop in the ocean. Blue, the feeling behind my eyes. You stood out 'cause you were in red. Then, against my intentions, I let you turn me violet instead.
So while you're at the beach, there are various activities or rather water sports that you can enjoy. For instance, you can enjoy the boat rides, which as you can see are very many and the prices are very affordable. You can also enjoy surfing, and depending with what you would enjoy, there are quite a number of water activities to suit every age group.
At the festival that we met at, where you were just a face in a crowd, and now I can't imagine me with anybody else. As we close out the night underneath the lilac sky, summer high, met you in August, New York back to my cold.
And guys, we can engage at the comment section. What water activities have you sampled while at the coast or any of the beaches that you have traveled to?
As long as it's with you, as long as it's with you, as long as it's with you. with you. New Year's Eve, 300 miles, counting down. Next year will be close. I will wait as long as it's for you. These white lies got me hypnotized. Get out of my head, get into my bed, I'm broken. It's only a matter of time, shifting my paradigms. You hold me, you hurt me, I'm sinking and drowning, and I don't deserve it. Your heart is frozen, the water is rising, and I'm just a drop in the ocean. A drop in the ocean. I'm reaching your love in you. I'm reaching your love in you. I'm a drop in the ocean. I'm a drop in the ocean. You pick me up and pull me down, hold me up so I don't drown. Got your head up in the clouds, nothing left of us now. Your heart is frozen, the water is rising, and I'm just a drop in the ocean. Falling, slow motion. You're a tsunami and I'm just a drop in the ocean.